When you order new carpet, it's easy to focus on the color and the softness. But at Floor Concepts, we know that a carpet is only as good as what's underneath it. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of a full home installation here in Delaware. The first step is the padding. Many people don't realize that the pad is the shock absorber for your floor. Our installers aren't just laying it down, they are precise cutting it to fit every corner and doorway. Notice the detail here. We cut the padding long ways so the seams lay perfectly flat. There's no overlap. Overlapping pad creates ridges you can feel under your feet, while gaps cause the carpet to bottom out. We staple it securely so nothing shifts over time. We also take time to prep the subfloor. We use a hammer and chisel to remove any old staples or construction debris. If it's on the floor now, you'll feel it under the carpet later. We believe in leaving a clean slate. Now comes the carpet. Carrying these rolls is a heavy lift, but the brain work happens at the doorways. We notch the carpets precisely to fit around the trim. This ensures a clean transition from room to room without any fraying edges. Even in large rooms where the roll isn't quite wide enough, we use a T-square for perfectly straight cuts. This allows us to fill in those side gaps with a seam that's virtually invisible. Stairs are the highest traffic area in your home. We staple the pad to the tread and the riser. We use a knee kicker to ensure the carpet is tight and tucked. A loose carpet on stairs isn't just a style issue, it's a safety hazard. This is where the magic happens, the seam. By using a professional steaming iron and the right technique, we make two separate pieces of carpet look like one continuous roll. If you can't find the seam, we've done our job. But not every carpet is like that. Finally, we use a power stretcher. This is a step most installers skip, but it's vital. It keeps the carpet tight to prevent those annoying wrinkles or bubbles that can appear years down the road. We finish by tucking the edges neatly under your baseboards. From the bedroom to the hallway and down the stairs, this home is transformed. It's fresh, it's quiet, and because it was installed correctly, it's going to stay that way for years to come. At Floor Concepts, we've been perfecting this process since 1982. If you're ready for a floor that's installed to last, come see us at Floor Concepts. And if you mention this video, we'll give you a special discount. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more flooring insider tips.